This is Scout. He's a Cape parrot. His colors are green and black and red and white, gray around the neck, and then a grayish brown up here. He's got a beige colored beak with black on the tips, the top and the bottom. Very rare parrot, you don't see too many. His feet are a light tan. Right, Scout? Right. Looking good. And then there's Pearl. She's a golfing cockatoo. Pearl. And then we got Barry over here. Everybody just had a bath. So you can actually see all the salmon colors in them. Hi, Barry. They're noted by the big purple bags around their eyes. Oh, here comes Scout. I think he wants some more loving. Peekaboo. You gonna talk? I need to get Roxy. Roxy, where you at? There's Roxy. She's the biggest. She's at least twice the size of the others. Hi, honey. Come here. What? You can see the size. What are you doing? You want my camera, don't you? I know you do. But compared to size, she's at least twice Scout. I know. At least twice the size of Scout and Pearl. Barry's a little bit bigger than Pearl. Hi, Pearl. Hi. Hi, Roxy. Y'all enjoying the day out here in the aviary? Hi, Scout. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. You never talk when the camera's on, do you?